A placeholder is a real style block that only exists to be extended and never appears on its own in the compiled CSS output. In this video, you'll replace a real base class with a genuine placeholder. The real prefix marks this as a placeholder. It compiles to nothing on its own unless something extends it. Extending %base here genuinely pulls in its declarations, but %base itself never appears as its own real rule in the output. Placeholder is a real style block meant only to be extended. A placeholder compiles to genuinely nothing on its own in the final CSS. This avoids the dead, unused base classes a plain extend target can leave behind. Convert a real extend-only base class in your project into a placeholder. Ready to give a real variable a sensible fallback value?